Hey guys, so today in the workshop we've got an interesting one. We get asked a lot about the Holden Colorados, and yes, we do a canopy for them even though we don't advertise it full on, and that's for the 2012s to the 2016s. Basically the amalgamation between Holden and Isuzu. So the Isuzu canopies fit really neatly on this. So this is a Holden Colorado, great looking truck, rigged up really well. EFS suspension with a decent 2-inch lift and a 265/75/16 tire, so a nice 32-inch tire on there. Also sporting an X-Rocks bull bar, a VRS winch and light force spotlights. On the top end, Rhino rack, roof rack, and that's the Pioneer rack, the flat Pioneer rack with the Rhino rack backbone system, giving you that full support all the way down the side. An original Colorado snorkel on there, and our job today was fitting the Bush Company Rhino Cab canopy on the side, just freeing up the huge amount of space on the back end and giving you a really practical build. So custom made with the black canopy, looks good and allow for massive amount of fitment still on the inside. So the water tanks are going back in, the battery systems are going back in, drawer systems and so on, as it was sporting a hard lid roll top from Holden originally. So that's on there. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching the install. Don't forget to view the rest of our products at thebushcompany.net, and don't forget to go Bush. Catch you later.